Pasta with sun-dried tomato and walnut pesto and feta cheese recipe. This is a really different, and very easy to make recipe. It has some really powerful flavor combinations. It will go really well with a nice salad, and some garlic bread. I hope that you enjoy this recipe. Ingredients you will need: 1 9-ounce package refrigerated fresh linguine, 3/4 cup oil packed sun-dried tomato halves, drain 2 tablespoons of canola oil, or olive oil, 1/4 cup loosely packed basil leaves, 2 tablespoons walnuts, 2 tablespoons pre-shredded fresh Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon bottled minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 cup 2 ounces crumbled feta cheese. Preparation: cook pasta according to the package directions. Make sure you salt your water well, as it will flavor your pasta, and you will not require as much salt in the end. Drain pasta through a colander over a bowl, reserving 1 cup cooking liquid. Do not rinse your pasta, and return the pasta to the pan. While pasta cooks, place your canola, or olive oil, sun-dried tomatoes, fresh basil, walnuts, Parmesan cheese, garlic in a food processor, process until finely chopped. Combine tomato mixture and about half of the reserved 1/2 cup cooking liquid. Article submission, stirring with a whisk. You may need to add about 1/2 cup of warm tap water if the reserved liquid is too salty. Add to pasta, toss well to coat. Sprinkle with feta. Please my channel subscribe.